All right, guys, morning. I don't know if I'm awake yet, but this is our project. I brought this horse trailer. As you can see, it's got this, the floors out of it. We have this issue all up there. We have this going on. This is all, this section we're taking the metal out, and that grate we're going to put all new metal here. We're going to take all the trim off the windows. We're going to strip it down to metal and paint. We're going to put new, once this is off, we're going to put new metal there when we do the floor. We're putting new brakes on it. We got to get bushings. That's all stuff that's ordered. We got some of these panels that we're going to redo, because like that one's bad. We're just going to go through and refurbish it, strip it all the paint, and repaint it. And that's when, then we got to do some metal up there. That's where I said we got to, and that. But overall, this is what we're gonna redo. She does have the framing to put this window in, but that's all coming out, because like I said, we're gonna strip the whole thing to bare metal. All new wiring, new brakes, everything. So I'm gonna get started on this. They are gonna come and help. We're kind of doing this one for her because she's big into doing vinyl and wraps and all that. So we're just gonna kind of trade. I'm gonna do this. Her and her daughter are gonna help, but then she's gonna do the vinyl on my wife's truck. So we'll just keep progress as we go. I got this cleaned up where I'm gonna weld. This goes out to Fitzy's Fabrications, because I learned this from him, watching him. Get your patch started, and then you're gonna take your grinder, and as you fit the patch, you're gonna hold this at a 45, and then you're gonna just cut and cut. Then that way, by doing that, look how nice your patch fits. I mean, that's just, you know, I mean, I got to push it in a little bit, but that's how the patch is going to fit. We're going to get this nose fixed, and that's going to improve it. We got to do the same thing down here. I got a lady and her daughter who own it. They're here. They're drilling all these rivets, take all this. Like I said, we're going to strip the entire thing down to bare metal. We got the sandblaster set up. We're gonna paint it, and you know, it's gonna be done up. I ain't no fabricator, so if you're watching mine saying, oh well, you could have done this, done that, hey, feel free to give tips. I'm not a body man, I'm not a fabricator. I did fix her mom's car. She was happy with the work because it was in an accident, and she's like, man, if we can do that good on the trailer, I'll be happy. So where we're at, I'm getting this front patch in. All right, we got showed we were doing, yeah, we still got to do more sanding on it. We're dealing with on and off rain. It was raining most of today, and it turned out to be a beautiful day. So man, I just been slapping the Bondo on it and throwing primer over it. We got to sand it, but this whole area is fixed. Yes, it's all new metal. We just didn't Bondo over it. We still got to grind the welds in here and put Bondo. Now we're doing that bottom piece. I did get the first patch already put in. Now I'm going to do just, this is all taken care of, so just from here down it's going to get cut out around to here. Sorry about that. Yeah, so we're just coming. This is a little rusty, but it's still solid, so we're just cutting from here down all the way from here over to this patch. That's why I didn't weld the bottom here. This side I already, and that's part of the reason why I carried this over so far. I already welded a patch in here. We gotta put a little bit of Bondo. I'm gonna get these holes welded up now, because we're putting totally different lights on it. We're going with LEDs. We got all new metal coming, so all this shit's getting punched out. We're putting aluminum in here, so I gotta fix the bottom of this door yet, and then this little section here. But like I said, the first patch there's in. Started raining on me, so it still needs a little bit more welding and grinding to get it smooth. But yeah, that's where we're at. I'm gonna go pick up bearings and new brakes for it. We already got the new wood for the floor picked up. I gotta fix this door frame. That's all rotted out there. The bottom of that's rotted out. Already cut it. Waiting on the lady's boyfriend. He's bringing me the metal 1/8" plate to weld in there, so that'll take care of that. Then we just got a whole lot of sandblasting and sanding, and then we're ready for paint. But just a quick update on the project. That's where we're at, and definitely making headway. You know, looks kind of, with everything stripped off, it looks kind of bad. But we're putting all new floor in here because that was all rotted. I already got that front brace, that's already welded in. I'm gonna run a brace back to here, but I'm gonna replace that angle iron because that's really thin in spots. So I'm gonna weld, when I weld that piece in there, I'm gonna weld a new piece of angle. I'm gonna weld runners from each side back to here, and then out to this metal where it attaches to this. Weld it to the side. So we'll have a nice strong floor in here again, and we're not putting the manger back here. We're just putting the floor in, that way they can walk in here, and this is going to be a storage area because they're not hauling horses with it. They're going to only haul 3 lambs that are kid shows. So all right, I'm gonna quit rambling, and that's where we're at. Have a good one.